Good morning. Time check 5 a.m. We're waiting for one more biker to come with us. So we're going to San Fabian. Yeah. Here's Kuis Tiroy. So this is my first 70-kilometer ride, bike ride. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're here at the arc, which marks the boundary of Pangasinan and La Union. We're currently entering Rosario, La Union with Kuya Tiroy and Kuya Romel. We've been biking for 10 kilometers now, and our next stop would be at Rosario Municipal Hall. Let's do this! Alright, checking in here at Rosario. Next stop will be the Murtis Market. Alright, so touchdown San Fabian. We're here at the church, and that's 37 kilometers from our starting point. So we're heading home, and we'll see you in San Jacinto. Let's go! Right, so we're on our fourth stop here at San Jacinto, and we're currently running at 45 kilometers already. So a little bit more and we're home. Right, we're here at our final stop here at Manawag Church before we finally head back home to Posurubio. It was a good ride, tiring but good. Currently running at 51 kilometers now. I think Google lied to me. He said 70 kilometers, but here going to Posurubio it's around 14 kilometers only, so it's about 65 or so. We'll see. Right, guys, say hi. Hi. All right.
Hello. Hello.
Alright, so we're finally home. That's a total of 63 kilometers. So Google said it was supposed to be 70, but turned out to be 63. That's my wife right there. Right, so that's it for the ride for today. Till the next journey. See you then. Bye.